Shut up and sit down.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. As always, please like, follow, share, and subscribe, and hit that little bell icon down below so you'll get notifications. Today, I'm going to talk to you about the Maglock pedals that I have installed on my trike. I installed them quite some time ago, and I told you that I was going to give you guys a review of them after I finished the Erie Canal tour. I did 400 miles on some pretty rough terrain. So I figure I put them through their paces well enough that I can give them a good review. So here goes. They're not as good as clipless pedals as far as foot retention. That's a given. My foot has slipped multiple times. They're a lot more secure than having nothing, than just having your foot on your pedals. They're definitely a lot more secure than that. But they're not perfect. My foot has slipped multiple times. They slipped several times on camera. If you've seen my past vlogs, you've seen that. What I like about them, what's really cool about them, is that they're easy to clip into and clip out of them. Because of my back injury, it's very hard for me to twist my hip so that to get the pedal to unlock. When I'm using standard clipless pedals, it's very hard for me to get in and out of them, especially out of them. And on the trike, that's not too bad, but when I was on my Django, if I couldn't get out of them on time, I was hitting the ground hard, and I did that several times, and it wasn't fun. It had no fun falling down, I can tell you that. But that's what I really like. I mean, there is a modicum of foot retention. It's better than nothing. But they're not as strong as they claim to be. They're not as strong as clipless pedals. You can push, definitely, just like regular pedals. You can also pull, which is nice. Ow, you just saw it slip and that hurt. Like, ooh, that hurt. That really hurt. That's gonna bruise right here. In case you didn't see it, my foot, I was pulling and my foot, now it's not coming off. My foot slipped and popped back right there and hit that. That's the first time that kind of slip ever happened. Usually it slips, it just slips down and my foot just kind of skims the ground and I catch it. But all in all, I mean, I like how easy they are to get in and out of them. I wish they weren't quite so easy to accidentally get out of them. But I feel pretty safe and comfortable with them when I'm gliding like this, which I like to do. I like to just let it roll, let my leg relax, stretch out my calf. And you can do that easily with clipless pedals. You can't do that really at all without retention. And these are strong enough to let me do that. And I'm not usually worried about them falling unless I hit a really hard bump. And then they'll fall and I have to catch myself. I think I'm going to keep them on. I mean, they're not perfect. There's still the risk of leg suck. Not as much as with no retention. Unless I get lulled into that false sense of security, and then maybe there's a little bit more. I get lazy and I don't catch myself if I do come off. But that hasn't happened yet, and it's slipped a few times. So yeah, I mean, I like it. I like them better than the clipless pedals because I can get out of them a lot easier without the pain in my hip. And I like them better than nothing because they do hold my foot. They do let me relax my leg. And, you know, they're a nice, happy medium between the two, which I like. So, I'm going to keep them. That's the best thing I could say for them, is that they're a happy medium. At least for me, they're a happy medium between no retention and the issues, the good and the bad, of having clipless pedals. So anyway, that's my review. I hope you found it useful. As always, like, follow, share, and subscribe. And click that little bell notification icon down there if you want to know when I have a video coming up. And I'll see you next time. Have a good one.